Hi, Hazel Mills here. This is how you can get started with a UDO RBN-1 ribbon controller. So here is the RBN-1 standalone ribbon controller. It can be used with essentially any synth or instrument that has a control or expression input, which is not just all of the UDO synths, but any other synth that has those inputs as well. What is also really nice about it is because of the magnetic strip beneath it, it can be secured really nicely to the Super 6 and also to the Super 8 as well, and any other synth that has a metallic panel. Connect the ribbon to the control or expression CV input, making sure that the 1/4" adapter that comes with it is on. Feed the cable to the right and then it will fit nicely onto the synth. There is only one thing that you need to do before you can start using it to just set this up so that it is compatible with the instrument, and it's really easy. You just make sure that while the synth is powered off, locate button number 6, which on the Super 6 is the PED CV button, but on the Super 8 it's the EXPR button. So you press and hold this button while still holding it, power on the instrument until you see a flourish of LEDs, and then you can let go. This is what puts it into intelligent pitch mode. It's now ready to use. By default, it will control just the pitch of the instrument, and that is 1 octave up if you start from the bottom, and 2 octaves down if you start from the top. If you want it to modulate a parameter other than pitch, you would use the mod matrix for this. And you would do this in the way that you would set any other parameter to be modulated. Button number 6, again, is your friend here because that is the modulation source that you would choose. So if we go into the mod matrix here, select button number 6, then you can either modulate a destination that appears in the mod matrix, or you can press and hold button 6 and physically move the control that you want to modulate. For example, so I'm going to get it to modulate the cutoff frequency of the filter. So press and hold that, give it a wiggle, and then you need to set the amount that you want it to modulate using the mod amount pot. Turn up the resonance, we'll get a much more prominent change here. Once you have set the ribbon controller to modulate something in the mod matrix, it does automatically disconnect it from controlling the pitch. So if you want to go back to it controlling the pitch, you would clear any modulations that you have it set to by pressing button number 6, shift, and then clear or mod assign, and that will go back to controlling the pitch. It's really up to you what you want to modulate and really customizable. You can have a lot of fun with this. Keep an eye out for part 2 of this video and for more ways to use the ribbon controller.